Hi guys, I'm on a hoverboard and yeah, it's so fun. So I like spinning around. And don't worry about those nearly flat. And yeah, I'm just riding it around and it's so fun. Whee! Whee! It's super duper fun. That's why I love riding them. They're really fun. And shut up beeping. And yeah, it's not actually mine, it's actually my cousin's, and I just like to come to his house. Whoa, that made me
Hello.
Yeah, that's just my cousin. That's his hoverboard, and I like to sit down on him, and I like waving around my skin down. And then come in microphone.
And that's it, Pop.
And I like speaking through microphones too. I like speaking through microphones too.
And that's it,
And yeah, there's one. And yeah, it's pretty long. And yeah.
And please let me know it. And
What? No, not. We're not ending it yet. Alright, I'm gonna turn the volume up. Alright guys, is this better? If it is, I'm sorry about the beeping, but if you can hear me properly now, then yeah, I'm just driving until we end the video. And hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. See you guys. Click the red button.
bye.
Click the red button.
Bye.
See ya.